Okay? Let's look at Edmonton. This should really excite Jeremy right here. Okay, 673, 778, 992, 1130, 1776, 1678. How many agents in Edmonton, Jeremy? 3,400. Think about this, everybody. We're doing 3,400 agents and we're doing, okay, 1,600 sales. There's a lot of agents didn't sell a house. Would you all agree? And Jeremy, in June, how many did your team sell? He did 19. So if he did 19 in June, there's a lot of agents sold how many? None. Okay? But let's look at this. I'm more concerned about this right here. Months of inventory, 6.8, 6.5, 5.9, 5.7, 5.5, slightly up to 6.1. So you can see right now their market is roughly the same, hasn't dramatically changed. However, it's down from last year. So look at 1678, 1,800 sales, they're down by 10%, active listings up by 19%, months of inventory up by 32%. So what's happening really right across Canada, except east of Ottawa, is we're seeing this very consistently. So what's going on? Days in market are up. So right here you've got more now of what? You got more of a buyer's market starting to happen than it was last year at the same time.